welcome back. We have the whole series of May with videos which are made on mango. In our first episode of May, we had the amazing Tiny Tot Shivansh with whom we made chocolate mango cups, and today we have another beautiful girl. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Diyara Arora.
Okay, Diara, and which school do you go to?
NL Dalmia High School.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay, awesome. Diara, are you excited today to make
Yes.
this? Yes. So what we are going to do today is a baked mango yogurt. Okay, it's a very nice recipe, very simple recipe, something that you can go back at home and make also. So before we start the recipe, let me just walk the audience through all the ingredients, alright? So we have some fresh cream, mango puree, some curd, we have some mango which we are going to use for garnish, and we have some condensed milk. And we have the oven preset already to preheat, so that because this is a baked dessert. Okay, so what we are going to do, Diara, is first take all the curd. Can you put the curd into this vessel?
Okay,
You can use, are you a lefty or a righty?
I'm a righty.
Okay, use the spatula and put all the curd into this. Okay. Yeah. So this is in lines to the Bengali dessert that we have, which is like the Mishti Doi. So it's a baked mango dessert. Okay, you can leave the spatula here. Use this whisk and just bring it together and make sure that there are no lumps. Okay. So Diara, what do you do after school at home?
I have my snacks and then go to play.
Okay, you have a lot of friends in your building.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your favorite sport? What do you like to play?
I like to play mostly all the things.
All the other games only.
Yeah.
But do you play any specific game in sport in school?
No.
No specific sport in school. Okay, all right. Okay. So now see, you can see that the curd is all become like clear without any lumps. Maybe just a few more rounds just to make sure that there's nothing left. Okay, this is condensed milk like the Amul Mithai Mate or the Milkmaid. Now we are going to open this and we are going to add this into it. Okay, so the measurements will be given in the recipe in the comments. You can check that. Okay, we will add the entire Milkmaid into this. So Diara, do you cook at home? Do you like to do any cooking or doing something in the kitchen with your mom, making Maggie or anything like that? Do you do?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you like to do? Can you whisk that together?
I like to make coffee with my mom.
Coffee, really nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the Milkmaid is mixed into the curd. We don't add any additional sugar into this dish because it already has Milkmaid into it. Okay. And now we are going to add fresh cream. Okay, so this is dairy cream, the cream which comes on top of the milk, the same thing. Okay, so we are going to add the fresh cream into it. So do you like mangoes?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay, which is your favorite fruit? Is it mangoes or
It's mangoes.
mangoes? Okay, mix. Yeah. So now in this we have added the curd, and to that we have added the Milkmaid. And now we've added some fresh cream. Okay. Okay. Now in this we are going to add the mango puree. Okay. So I'm just going to add the mango puree into this. Okay. Mix it together. Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Yeah. See, can you see how the color just changed the moment you added the mango puree into it?
Yeah.
Okay. So once this is done, we will add it in the ramekins and we'll bake it. All right.
Okay.
These are called as ramekins. They are baked ready. You can just put it into bake. Okay. Can you pour them into these ramekins?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just pour one of these. Okay. They're already ready. So easy, isn't it? Just mix everything together, bring it together and just pour it inside the ramekins. So this recipe will probably make 12 of these. You have to fill it to the brim. Yeah. Okay. Very nice.
Is this much enough?
Yeah, that's nice. I remember that you were very fond of Barbie dolls. Weren't you when you were a baby?
Yeah.
Now what are you fond of? What's the favorite thing for you right now?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so we're going to put this to bake. While this is baking, We are going to
Yeah.
do rapid fire. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Diara, our baked mango yogurt is in the oven, and after they have been baked, we are putting it in the fridge to set. While we are doing that, we are ready for some rapid fire questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So tell me, do you like chocolate or do you like vanilla?
I like both.
You like both, okay. And if you had to make it for somebody special, who would that be? If you had to make something special for somebody?
My parents.
Your parents. And what would you make?
Something like cupcakes.
Like cupcakes you'll make, alright. And tell me, what was your happiest day so far? You know, the most happiest day when you really felt, oh my god, this is so good, this is so nice. Any day you remember as such?
When I went to Dubai with my parents.
Okay. What did you like in Dubai? What did you see?
I was in the Burj Khalifa having a fun time in the bathtub.
Oh, nice. You enjoyed, isn't it?
Yeah.
So tell me, what do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is karate.
Karate?
Yeah, I won a silver medal in karate.
Really?
Yeah.
And what belt are you right now?
I am in green 2.
Green 2. Okay. So how many hours in a week do you spend in karate?
I don't go to karate classes. My school has a karate period.
Okay. So they give you coaching in karate in
Yeah.
school itself. Oh, nice. Okay. And do you do art? I remember as a child you used to love to do art. Do you still do art?
Yeah, I do journaling.
Journaling. Very nice. Okay. You're growing up very fast, Diara. I've seen you as a baby. All right. Alright, Diara, our baked mango yogurt is already ready. Now we need to garnish it. So I've given you some mango pieces and some mint leaves. Go ahead and garnish it. Whichever way, decorate it how you like it. You can add the pieces on one side and add the... Very nice. Okay. Yeah. So when you practice karate, do you practice it in school with your friends or your sir? How does it work?
So teach all the students at once.
Okay. So how come only you got silver medal? That's what I'm asking you.
Our school sets a camp
Okay.
and it's optional. Whoever wants to come, they can come on Saturdays and Sundays.
So you go for those extra camp classes and get practice, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay, that looks nice. So just to take off the color, you just take a little bit of mint leaves and just place it on top here like this, okay, on the side. So it looks nice. So take like proper leaves that can, that's nice. Yeah, you can just put it in the side. Put it close to the mango so that it will look nice. Yeah, they look pretty, don't they? Very nice, isn't it? So are you excited to taste them now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's put just one more mint leaf here and finish it off. Okay. Okay, so Diara, are you ready to taste your dessert?
Yeah.
The baked mango yogurt. Go ahead, jump in. Take a big scoop along with the mango. You can see that it's completely set, how the curd is set. Okay, now taste it and tell me what do you like.
I like the yogurt which is settled down.
Okay. You almost gave me a moment like a master chef, you know, when you're trying to eat and think and say what it was. Do you watch Master Chef?
No.
No. Okay, that's a serial you must watch. It's very nice. So did you like what you made?
Yeah, I did.
And if you had to rate it out of 10?
Can I rate it 12?
Oh yes, you can. And let's give a high five on that. Well done. Congratulations.